Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pandu from Tech Dude, and recently I have lost my TWS, and it's unusual stuff which really happens with me every time. And I'm bad at handling things, or I'm irresponsible, whatever you may call. But recently I've been looking for some kind of wireless headphones or TWS within the budget range of 500. Yeah, it may be quite surprising to you all. So let us roll the intro.
Have you ever seen this? Have you ever felt this? It's a feeling so unheard.
As here you can see, tada, and this is the headphones which I have bought for 500 rupees technically during the Amazon Great Indian Sale, and I guess this is a bang deal. I bought Amazon. One warning, your packaging is getting worse day by day. As you can see, they have just placed a sticker of my address and they just delivered, nothing more than that. And this is known as Zebronics Zebang wireless earphones, and it is a top selling wireless headphones under budget range. And this is top selling wireless headphones in budget range. And here you can see there is an key features right here. It has 20 hours plus playback time, foldable ear cups, and it has dual hearing. As you can see on this side, these are the three key main eyelets, and behind here you can see the manufacturer details. But on the MRP it costs around 1800 rupees. And here you can see it supports both Siri and Google Assistants. And I feel like 1800 rupees is not the perfect MRP for it. I feel like it costs way cheaper than that, but that's what they have mentioned. As here you can see, it has call function. You can directly receive or take calls. It comes with Bluetooth 5. It has an aux function, and at 50% volume. I guess that's it on the box details. So I feel like this is the best headphone under 500. So let me explore it, or let me use it. But before, let us unbox it. As here you can see, this is the box, and let us break this seal with the help of a screwdriver, because we don't have a knife right now. As you can see here, this is how the headphone box looks like, and we are just breaking the seal with the help of a screwdriver. I know it's not the right thing to do, but we don't have any knife available for now. But I'm unable to break the seal with this. I went and break the seal, so I went inside and break the seal. Now here you can see, wow, this is how simple is the packing is. I choose black color because I love black. So nothing in the box. You will find one vertical cardboard and headphone angle to it. Technically it acts as an headphone stand, I guess, as you can see here. And let us open this up. You get an headphone, okay, and inside it you will get a USB cable and some QR code sheet or some stickers, I guess. Wait a minute. You will get this QR code sort of thing, and you will get USB. I guess this is a micro USB A to micro USB cable, and the quality is not that great what you can expect around this budget earphones. As you can see, this is how the headphones look, and I feel like these wires are quite this wiring, as you can see, it is visible there. It looks some little bit untidy, and here you can see it has a Zebronics branding right there on the silver thing, and it has zip bang, and this is how it extends, and there are right and left markings on the ear cup, so it is easy to wear, and it is even foldable, but you have to decrease the thing, and you have to do you have to fold this. First you have to decrease the extender size of the extender so that you can fold it properly and you can carry wherever you want. And it is completely made up of plastic build. For build quality I'll give 3 out of 5. And on the left side of the ear cup you may see power button, volume up and down button, and wait a minute, let my camera focus on it. As you can see on the left hand side, you can see middle power button, volume up, volume down, and micro USB charging cable and aux cable. I wish Zebronic should provide a aux cable, good quality aux cable, so that we can use these earphones directly on PC. So now you have to get an aux cable, 3.5mm aux cable from outside retail stores, again, which is an FT task. But according to the price, the build quality and the cushion is acceptable. As you can see, I'm listening to songs, so okay, as you can see, this is how the headphones fit on my head. I guess it can fit anyone or any head type or any ear type. So I feel like I have been using these headphones from 45 minutes. I didn't feel any earache and stuff. Talking about the comfort, as you can see, I will rate around 3.5 out of 5. So the cushioning is pretty good, and it covers all the ears. So I feel like I have used good or branded headphones. I've used other branded headphones around 1500 to 2000 budgets. They have high volume decibels, or they produce higher volume rate. But while comes to this Zeb Bang earphones, it has some manageable audio levels. They are not too high. Talking about bass, it has a manageable balanced amount of bass, and the dual pairing works pretty fine. You can switch one devices to another device. I have switched it from my MacBook to OnePlus. It works pretty good. There are no glitches and stuff. And talking about the audio quality, what you can expect for 500 rupees. But the price to performance ratio, I'll give 4 out of 5, 5 out of 5, 4 out of 4.5 out of 5. I'm sorry. Talking about the audio quality, my rating is around 3.9 out of 5, I guess. Yeah. And I guess what you can expect for 500 rupees while it comes to audio quality, or talking about the audio these headphones produce in detail, the treble, the bass, and everything is quite balanced, and the vocals are clear. They, like, you can even hear instruments pretty good. You can guess the instruments, but you cannot hear all the instruments because it doesn't produce that much clarity. So everything is quite balanced around this budget, so you don't have any issues. And another thing is that the microphones work terrifically good. I have attended 2 to 3 Zoom calls, so I feel like these headphones perform pretty good. Microphone has good quality, so I didn't find any issues that I'm not audible. But I have used these headphones wirelessly by using the mic, so I didn't find any issues. And in terms of one con, it has an audio leakaging issue, so I don't want to play audio because they might claim a copyright on my channel, so I didn't want to take any risk. So it has major sound leak. It has major sound leak iPhone. This is the biggest con. I feel like if you're a person who takes phone call on your headphones, I feel like don't do this on this headphone, because the person sitting beside you, behind you, can hear what other person is talking. So these headphones doesn't provide privacy while you are taking calls. So this is a major con of these headphones. And around at full audio I got charging around 8 to 12 hours, I guess, at max volume. And if you also listen these headphones on max volume, your ear doesn't hurt, because it doesn't produce that much volume. It produces a decent volume, which is good for your ears, and it will give you a pleasant vibe overall. So if you are new to this channel, drop a like, drop a comment, and subscribe my channel Tech Dude. Before that, check links in the description.